Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Henny Fisher and with me is Professor Curry Durant, and we are from the Department of Consumer and Food Sciences at the University of Pretoria, and we are very excited for this collaboration with La Germania, and we are next to one of their wonderful stoves.
So they donated this to the university for the students to do a project on recipe development to create information for the YouTube channels for La Germania, and the students all participated with a very comprehensive assignment.
So the students were all given the task to utilize the stove and all of its features in the little videos, and we gave them the assignment to make breakfast and lunch and supper dishes for everyday people, and there was a little bit of a budget involved so that they didn't just do dishes that are overly expensive or high-end or whatever. And yeah,
they enjoyed the challenge. It was a great experience for them, and we hope to continue with this project and repeat it next year. And finally, we'll develop a recipe book for La Germania with the student projects.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.